Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run we're doing one of my unboxing videos, and this time we're going to be looking at this here, which is the Mini F9 action camera. Now this has been on the market for some time. You can pick these up quite cheap on eBay. I've always wanted to have a look at it, so I've got this in recently to have a look at. So basically in this video we're going to do an unboxing and then I'll follow it up with a proper review, and I'll look at it with some other action cameras to see if the quality is quite good. But for this video, let's see what we've got in the box and we'll go from there. So the first thing out the box is basically this little manual, and this will tell you the basic functions of how to operate this little action camera. Okay, next we've got a collection of 3 different things here. Basically this is the mount that you use to hold the actual camera itself, because it's a tube shaped type camera. And then these are your 2 other options for mounting it. So you've got one here that you can sort of mount on a helmet, or I suppose you could even put it on your wrist or whatever, strap it to something. And then this one which you can put on a pole or like a bicycle or whatever sort of thing you want to try the camera on. So you get a couple of different mounting options, and of course the device for holding the camera. So that's pretty good. Next is the USB cable, and unfortunately they're using their own type of connection here, so if you lose this cable you won't be able to actually charge your camera, which is kind of annoying because they've put their own type of connection on the end of that, which makes it not compatible with just any other USB cable, which is a bit of a shame actually. But you do get this included, so I suppose just hang on to it. And finally we've got the action cam, or as I should call it, the Mini F9, and as you can see it's pretty small. It's in a sort of cylinder shape. It looks a bit like a flashlight torchlight, so you know, it doesn't really seem very big. You've got this part here which unscrews, and at the back here is where you put your charging cable, and you've got your switches, and basically your micro SD card goes there. So that's quite neat. There's no actual screen on this, but you have got basically the 2 controls on and off, and shoot and take pictures, and you've got your front lens there. And overall the quality and build of this feels pretty decent. It feels quite solid in the hands, and something that's going to be fairly tough. So pretty much that's everything. Well, there you go, there's everything in that box for the Mini F9 camera. Overall it looks interesting, and as I said at the beginning, I'll be following this up with a proper review a bit later, and I'll compare it with maybe the GoPro and the Yi, just so you can see what sort of quality it's like, because this is an extremely cheap action camera that you can find on eBay. But until then, as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.